In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix server busy issue in FIFA Mobile. If you're encountering a server busy message in FIFA Mobile, then it indicates that the game's server are currently experiencing high traffic or technical issues. Here are some troubleshooting methods you can take to resolve the issue. The first thing you can do is to check your internet connection. Swipe down from the top right hand corner of the screen and make sure that you have connected to a Wi-Fi or cellular data. After you are, you can also try switching to a Wi-Fi network or a more stable cellular data connection, and this might help you fix the issue. The next thing to do, if the problem still persists, is to close and reopen the app. Simply go ahead and swipe from the bottom of your iPhone and swipe up the app card for FIFA Mobile. This will close off the application. Now, launch open FIFA Mobile again by tapping on it from the app drawer. Sometimes restarting the app can reestablish a fresh connection to the servers, and doing so might help you fix your issue. Sometimes the server congestion can vary based on the time of day. Try accessing the game during non-peak hours when fewer players are likely to be online. Also, you'll need to make sure that you have the latest version of FIFA Mobile installed on your device. Go and tap open your app store from the app drawer and then search for FIFA Mobile in the search box. Once you make a search, tap on the app and look for an update button if available. Developers often release updates to improve server stability and overall performance of the app, so try updating your application now and then to use the latest and improved version of the particular app. Once you've updated your application, you might be able to fix your issue. Simply go ahead and open up your FIFA Mobile application and check for yourself. Those were some of the fixes you could try out if you are going through server busy issue in FIFA Mobile. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back again with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.